Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, SRK Technical. Today in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can increase your subscriber very easily. Even in 10 seconds, you can get 10 subscriber. It's very easy. It's very simple. If you like my video, please subscribe and like and share. So you have to watch this video till ends to understand. So guys, let's begin. Here you will see I will show with the proof here. Here you see 35 subscriber I have in this channel. Okay guys, now I will increase the subscriber so it's live. So guys, open a new tab and go in search bar and type subscriberchat.com and then enter it, and after some second you will be redirected to a new page. Okay guys, and there you have to, here you can see, just follow my step. Go in a subscriber now free server, don't go down pro, it's a paid server so you have to pay. So guys, subscriber now for free, and if you'll click here, automatically you will be redirected to a sign up option, and here you have to sign up to your account, the account which you have used for creating your YouTube channel. So guys, SRK Nepal Technical, I will use this account. So guys, let's go, and here you will see the new page will open, and here you have to do something else, then only you will gain a subscriber, otherwise you will not get subscriber. You don't need to beg on other YouTuber to subscribe your channel. Automatically, if you subscribe this channel, automatically you will be gaining a subscriber. Guys, here I am subscribing. Here you can see Anton join. I have got a 3 subscriber. Just click it, click it, click it, click it, click it. I've already used many times, so I'm not getting now. But if you are a beginner, if you use, then automatically in one day 30-60 subscriber definitely you will get. Guys, now let's see how much subscriber I have gained. Before it was 34. Now let's refresh it. Now refresh it. Okay guys, now you can see I've got a 36 subscriber. So guys, it is live, so trust me, use this website, it's awesome, nothing is going to harm. Okay guys, so guys, if you like this video, please comment in the comment box, or if you have any problem related to this video or your server is not working, so please comment in the comment box, because I have showed you a live, so it's everything working. I have got a 2 subscriber over here. You can get, before it was 34 and now it is 36. So guys, please subscribe my channel so you'll be gaining a more update. Even if you like to download an app through which you can gain a subscriber, I've already given link in description, so you can watch that video. If you like, through that video you can easily gain subscriber. That is also a best way, but this is also a best way. So guys, I have made many videos on related to the subscriber and views, how to increase. So guys, if you like to watch my video, so in description I have given links so you can easily go and watch videos. So guys, bye.